Hello to you, my nail lovers. You are welcome back to my channel, Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Today I have the best collection of half moon acrylic nail designs for you, my gorgeous queens. I know that so many of you are seeing this kind of nail designs for the very first time. So sit back, relax and watch to the end so that you will choose the very best designs to make on your nails. As you can see, these nails look so good, gorgeous and very attractive. You can practically rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. So watch the video to the end and pick your best light to make on your nails. So if you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay? And also, as you watch the video, kindly support my channel by liking this video. Give the video a thumbs up, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. And at the end of the video, you can go to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my channel or my videos. And if there's any kind of nail designs you would like to see me make the video for you, you can put it down in the comment section and I promise to make it for you. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. You are so much appreciated. I'll be looking forward again to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.